Hey everyone, welcome back to CK Wealth Academy. What if I told you that building wealth in 2026 isn't about one giant lottery win, but about 30 small, almost boring habits? The gap between people who are financially free and those who are constantly stressed isn't just luck, it's a system. With 2026 bringing us higher living costs and a wilder economy, these 30 tips are your survival guide. We are going to move fast, so grab a pen. Don't try to do all of these today, just pick 5 to start. Let's go. Section 1: The Invisible Engine Mindset and Habits. Your brain is your biggest asset, or your worst liability. Let's fix the software first. Pay yourself first. Automate 10 to 20% to savings before you see it. If you don't see it, you won't miss it. Track every single dollar for 1 month. Awareness is the cure for "where did my money go" syndrome. Live below your means. It sounds cliché, but it's the only math that works. Instead of saying "I can't afford it," ask "how can I earn enough to afford it?" Spend 20 minutes a month reviewing your net worth. What gets measured gets managed. Celebrate paying off that $400 credit card. Momentum is more important than the amount. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's social media highlight reel. Treat money as a tool for freedom, not a status symbol to impress people you don't even like. Now, let's look at the leaks in your bucket. The 2026 ratio: aim for 60/20/20. 60% for needs, 20% for fun, and 20% for your future. The big chop: find one recurring expense, just one, and kill it today. Grocery warfare: never shop hungry and always have a list. The supermarket is designed to make you fail. The loyalty tax: call your internet or insurance provider. Ask for the retention department. Loyalty usually costs you money, negotiating saves it. The feel factor: use cash or a dedicated debit card for fun spending. You need to feel the friction of the transaction. The 48-hour rule: if it's over $50 and not a necessity, wait 2 days. Most must-haves lose their shine by hour 47. Subscription ghosting: use an app or your bank statement to find and cancel every zombie subscription. Most of us waste $200 a year here without realizing it. Defense wins championships. The $1,000 shield: get a starter emergency fund before you do anything else. The full buffer: once debt is down, aim for 3 to 6 months of life money in a high-yield savings account. Math versus psychology: use the avalanche method, highest interest first, for math, or the snowball method, smallest balance first, for the psychological win. Freeze the plastic: if you can't pay it off monthly, stop using the card. Zero late fees: automate everything. Your time is worth more than remembering due dates. The windfall rule: use 70% of any tax refund or bonus for debt savings, and 30% for something you enjoy. Strategic refinancing: keep an eye on rates. Even a 1% drop on a mortgage or car loan can save you thousands over time. Now for the fun part: making your money work harder than you do. Boring is better. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. Consistency beats picking winners every time. The free raise: if your job matches 401k contributions, take every penny. It's a 100% return on your money. The Side Hustle 2.0: in 2026, use AI tools to freelance, or start a microbusiness. Diversify your income. The earning ceiling. Your skills determine your income. Spend at least 1 hour a week upskilling. Compound logic. $100 invested at 20 is worth more than $500 invested at 40. Start now. Anti-fragile income. Don't rely on one paycheck. Build a Plan B income stream. Finally, protect the empire. The safety net. Get your insurance right: health, life, and disability. One bad day shouldn't wipe out 5 years of progress. Owner mindset. Ask yourself, is this purchase an asset or a liability? Buy things that pay you. There you have it, 30 tips to change your life. Look, you don't need a finance degree, you just need a plan. Pick 3 to 5 tips from this list and start them this week. If this gave you value, hit that like button and join the CK Wealth Academy community. Comment below, which number are you starting with? I'm looking for the best ones to deep dive into in my next video. This is educational content, not personalized financial advice. Thanks for watching. Now go take action. I'll see you in the next one.